I'm Mariam Omar. I finished the core class in Moringa School. I was doing Python and JavaScript. I came here today for the hackathon training. The event was well organized and I got to learn a lot of things, interact with new people, know new stuff, and got to know of the hackathon event that will happen. I'm prepared for the hackathon event that will happen. I'll be doing a front-end JavaScript for my team. If we happen to win the hackathon prize, and there is a lot to do with that money, but for me personally, I'll want to make my parents happy first. Any girl who will be interested in tech, I'll tell her there's a lot of opportunities out there for women and people like me from a different background. All women have the same opportunity and I would like them to join any event for tech.